You may have had duck before, but if you haven't had Peking duck, you haven't lived. A perfectly cooked Peking duck is the ultimate study in contrast between crunchiness and succulence. 100-day-old ducks are ideal for the task. They are traditionally force-fed to fatten them for 2 to 3 weeks prior to being dispatched. The duck is then plucked, organs removed, and thoroughly rinsed in water. Care is used to ensure the skin remains intact. A soy sauce or malt sugar coating is then applied to the skin, and the duck is hung overnight to dry. The next day, air is pumped under the skin, which causes it to separate from the flesh. This will allow the fat to render on both sides of the skin, making it crisper. The carcass is dipped in boiling stock to tighten the skin and begin rendering the fat. The duck is once again hung overnight, then roasted vertically in an oven. Traditionally, a wood oven is used, and only date, peach, and pear trees are used to fuel the fire. The trick with cooking duck is to render out as much of the fat as possible. The process results in a skin that is shatteringly crisp and the meat that is ethereally tender. An expert chef will be able to get 100 thin strips of meat off a duck. This recipe is traditionally served with mushu, small thin pancakes used to wrap the duck, along with spring onions and plum sauce. To find out more about Peking duck and its amazing history, click here now. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.